Hey, welcome back guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Wistia account, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you link or connect your Zoom account to your Wistia account? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to link your Zoom to Wistia anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, maybe doing Zoom meetings, if you connect your Zoom to Wistia, those videos can automatically be added into your Wistia, which makes it easier to check the analytics and also share that Zoom meeting. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Wistia dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Wistia account, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to go ahead and link or connect your Zoom account, here on the top right, you're going to click on your company name. Once you do that, you're going to see a drop-down menu, and you want to click here on integration. Okay, once you click there, you're going to go ahead and scroll down until you see the Zoom logo. You can see right here, and click on there. Once you do that, you're going to see this blue connect button. Go ahead and click on there. Okay, once you do that, Zoom is going to open up a browser, and they're asking if you want to share information with your Zoom account and Wistia. If you're okay with that, click on this little dot right here, and that gives access and permissions. And next you want to click on this blue allow button. Okay, quick second later, the page refreshes back into your Wistia account, and you should see this green connected button. Next, you want to go ahead and choose where you want your Zoom recordings to be saved in your Wistia account. So open this box up right here, and then choose the folder. If you need help setting up a different folder, go back and watch my other video that describes that in detail. After you do that, you want to go ahead and click auto import cloud recordings, and then click on the blue update button. So there you have it guys. If you're wondering how to link or connect your Zoom account to your Wistia account, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up, or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.